Shenzhen AISIKAO Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of refrigerator door gasket, PVC profiles, and ancillary equipment. Our products are used in household refrigerators, commercial freezers, disinfecting cabinets, cold storage, glass display cabinets, vending machines, wine cabinets, fresh air filtration equipment, haze purifiers, laboratory equipment, and so on. Currently, our company has thousands of molds which can be customized according to drawings or samples. We are located in Shenzhen, near the Shenzhen Airport. It's adjacent to China, Hong Kong, and China, Macau, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss about your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has produced a series of advanced equipment, including extrusion lines, magnetic machines, welding machines, and testing machine. In addition, we have obtained ROS report and CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in different countries and regions, such as Australia, Europe, Africa, etc. OEM and ODM orders are always welcome. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to work with us and achieve win-win cooperation.